Hello everyone, welcome back. And for the new people, thanks for checking out my video. And if you enjoy, please like and subscribe. Today I have a few prototype flashlights and a garden light here. I'm going to do a time-lapse test to see what sort of battery life I get with my prototype. Before we do that, I'm going to go over the basic design and use of the prototype. So I got 3 different designs here. All of them are small and lightweight, simple to use, and are powered by a single AA battery. They all have an interchangeable base that currently has a magnet and a lanyard pull. I have plans to give away the STL files, but before that I'd like to try and sell either a run of these or so on Etsy or some other website, see if I can make a few bucks on them, and then after that I'll give them away for free. Or at least the plans. The battery life on these, I'm speculating about 12-13 hours. That's what this test is for. They have a single LED. I can do it in multiple colors, but white, red, or blue are common. This is the driver board. It's the same driver out of one of these lights, currently taken directly from one of these lights. And I have the kids model, which is just a push button. At any rate, I'm going to put fresh batteries in these two here. And I'm going to head upstairs where I have the GoPro set up with a clock, and I'm going to do the time lapse up there. Okay, so I'm upstairs. We got the setup here. Now I'm going to start the timer at 11:45, and I'll start the camera at the same time with the lights on, and we'll see how it goes. Well, here we are at the 37-hour mark. If I can focus. They're still going. I am out of space on my SD card, and I think I'm going to call it at that. We'll just say they're 36 hours plus. So it turns out I had plenty of space left on the GoPro, and it just counts up to 99, and then can't count any higher, I guess. So I could have let it go a lot longer, but I mean, you can see here they're still going nice and strong. It's 37 hours plus. You can see in the time lapse where I had bumped it and had to move them, and I think the cats knocked it or something at one point. But otherwise, I didn't touch them at all for the 37 hours. And yeah, maybe I'll get a better timer and do a little bit better setup and actually do a full time test and see what I can actually get to the right flat dead. But till now, that'll be it.